Hello, I'm JL. Welcome to the House of Imperfect Making. I make things. I'm a crafter. I'm a cook. I sew. I do embroidery. I make a mess generally, and I do things badly so that you feel better about your crafting. My motto is I make crafts poorly so you don't have to. This is my crafting room. These are my baby Yodas because I have too many baby Yodas. Also, that is filled with crafting supplies, with patterns and glue and all sorts of embellishing things. And over here, to my right is my resin stash. Over here behind me is my Cricut. My embroidery machine is downstairs. I also cook. Not up here though. Probably could though. No. Anyway, uh, stop by again later to see what kind of shenanigans I get into because I generally do get into shenanigans. So, have a splendid day. Bye bye.